All right, let's go over our agenda. So this week we have March 3rd through the 9th. So everything is due Tuesday, March 9th at 11:59. You can find everything within the Chapter 6 folder. And then within that folder, click on 6.4, 6.5. So this week you need to have your 6.4 video notes done before coming to class. This was in the pink packet. Sorry, not yellow, it's pink. And if you lost them, let me know and I can send you a copy. Then once you finish those notes before class, you will go to 6.4 big ideas and you will complete the homework assignment. Once the homework assignment is done, that's pretty much all that you will do before class. 6.5 big ideas will be done in class, and so it's not available until then. And then if it's not finished in class, then the rest is done at home. Make sure that you bring your chapter 6 packet to class because we will be completing the 6.5 video or actual notes. We're going to be doing them together in class. And so in class, we're going to do 6.4. It's going to be a warm-up / mini lesson / practice. And then once we finish that, we will do 6.5 notes, like I said, in class. We'll have an activity, and then you will have time for that big ideas homework 6.5. And if you haven't completed 6.4, then you should have time for that. But that's all we have for this week. Within the folder, you will see we have the 6.4 video notes that needs to be done before class. Here's where you're going to show your work for 6.4. If you're absent on the day that you have class, please let me know so I can send you that 6.5 video notes. And then this will go live to you. The 6.5 showing work form will go live after class or during class. And so that's all we have for this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Remember, my Zoom time is from 10:45 to 11:30 on Wednesdays, and then Thursday and Friday by appointment. All right, go ahead and get to work.